I will be repurposing a plant potter. A potter plant. A plant potter. And welcome back to DIY Sis. I'm Nyamah, and today I will be repurposing a flower pot for you guys. So in this video, I've only used 4 materials, and I will be wrapping it with twine. I've seen that they do have some options at the dollar store as well, and other Goodwill and thrift stores. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So for today's tutorial, you will need a hot glue gun, 2 glue sticks, a bundle of rope. I got mine from Michael's and that was 5 yards. And an old flower pot. Here is where I started. I don't have footage of that starting of it, but I did start from the bottom of the flower pot and I worked my way to the top. It's very important to put enough glue at the first braid, that way it's properly anchored in place, and then from there I just dotted the glue all around, followed it with the rope, and secured it. Okay, I ran out of rope when I got to the very brim, but no worries. I'm going to pull out my white paint, a paintbrush, and something to hold my paint in and get to work on painting the top of the flower pot. So I may end up doing a design on this later because it is kind of bright white, but I think it turned out pretty cute for a quick 10-minute project. Hi guys, and thank you so much for watching the video. I had so much fun doing it. Just a quick little project that I can do to make subtle changes in my living space. I'm going to use the flower pot as a trash can for my living space, but you could also apply the same methods that you learned here today to probably upcycle a 5-gallon bucket or an old hamper. Possibilities are endless. Just make sure you have a good glue gun. But that concludes it for today. We look forward to seeing you next week on another episode of DIY Sis.